Now coming to the stock specific idea, the first that we have on the list is Chambal Fertilizer. So within the fertilizer space, Chambal Fertilizer didn't participate much on the downside, though it also retraced from its record high. But it took support around the 100 EMA, means it penetrated that area for brief, but it reclaimed in no time. And again, we are seeing sign of recovery. So we expect this recovery to further strengthen, and 528 is what we are eyeing. So with stop at 485, one can look to go long in Chambal Fertilizer in the mentioned range.
The next stock for the day on short side is Siemens. So the stock traded in a broader distribution phase for over 6 months, facing resistance at higher levels and leading to subsequent declines. Now the stock has decisively recorded a breakdown from this distribution phase in the form of reversal pattern, indicating a potential downside from current levels. So considering this weakness in trend, one can buy 6300 put between 170 to 178 with a stop loss of 110 and a target of 310. The last stock for the day is Oil India. Following a series of declines from its peak, the stock has witnessed a decent recovery from 430 odd levels, supported by significant price and volume activity. Now it has regained fresh momentum above its 200 EMA after forming a rounding bottom pattern. Additionally, the stock has formed a buying pivot above the breakout of falling trend line. So, given this bullish outlook, one can consider to go long in Oil India between 487 to 492 with a stop loss of 473 and a target of 529. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.